Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying you have administrator rights and that Bitlocker is enabled on the drive you'll decrypt. Open Control Panel or Settings, then go to Bitlocker Drive Encryption to view status. Once done, make sure you've backed up the recovery key to a USB, your Microsoft account, or printed copy because you may need it. Also save all files and close applications. Decryption can take time and needs stable power, so plug in a laptop before proceeding. You now begin decryption. Select the encrypted drive and click Turn off Bitlocker or Manage Bitlocker, then turn off. When prompted, confirm your choice and enter admin credentials or the recovery key. This verifies you own the drive. The system queues the decryption and you'll see progress in the Bitlocker window. Larger drives take longer. While it runs, make sure not to interrupt power, eject external drives, or force shutdowns, because that risks data corruption during the process. You finish by waiting for Bitlocker to report decryption complete and the drive status showing off or decrypted. Then restart the PC to ensure normal boot and file access. After reboot, inspect files and permissions to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use the recovery key to unlock the drive, run chkdsk or disk management to check drive health, and if needed, restore from backup. That single troubleshooting tip, have the recovery key and backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.